There we go. Now it will be clear to everyone, right? Asked Roy.
Right, replied Tech.
You only need to take one look at that sign,
Said Tommy the trailer.
to know that you should run away as quickly as possible. That's what I would do.
After Roy made sure to close the gate tight, the three of them went back across the field to fetch the cows.
Have they gone into the field?
Asked Tommy. Yes, they have, said Tech.
Well, thank goodness for that,
Said Tommy.
I certainly wouldn't like to come face to face with Benji the bull. No way.
The three of them watched the bull and his family grazing in the field. Cattle and sheep were not the only animals on the field at the family farm today. There was also a small purple tent way out. And yes, someone was even inside of the tent. Ah, what a beautiful day, said Hitch, stretching his arms wide, accidentally hitting Hike on the nose. Ow! Yelled Hike. Roy was about to head back to the house for dinner when Tech asked something. Can we go for a walk in the fields, Roy? Well, of course you can. But be sure to stay away from Benji the Bull's field, said Roy. Oh, don't worry. We won't go anywhere near that field. Tommy the trailer is too afraid. So Tommy and Tech drove across the farmyard. Where would you like to walk first? Asked Tech.
Let's visit Tom Jack,
Said Tommy the trailer excitedly. Tech hauled Tommy behind him. Tech noticed that Tommy the trailer was much easier to pull when he was going somewhere he wanted. Oop, oop. Hello, Tech, said Nell very quietly. What's up, Nell? Why are you whispering? Asked Tech. Has he gone yet? Asked Nell. Who? Asked Tech.
Well, that big bull, of course.
Quacked Tom Jack.
Quack, quack. He is so big that he threw a giant shadow across the grass as he passed, and quack, quack.